Let's talk about how you can improve your communication skills. It's important to make eye contact when you're talking to someone. If you're looking at the ground or turn your head away, it's harder for someone to hear what you have to say. Also, make sure your body language matches your message. Crossing your arms or rolling your eyes when you're trying to be sincere sends a mixed message. While you're talking, look for a simple nod or some other sign that the person understands your message. When you're listening to someone, focus on the speaker so they know that you're listening. Avoid interrupting, but you can nod your head to let the person know that you understand what they're saying. When the speaker is finished, it's a good habit to restate what you heard to make sure that you understood the message correctly. This gives the speaker a chance to confirm or correct your understanding.